Hey guys, we will be discussing taxonomy of angiosperms past 5 years questions. So this is part 2. For the previous video, check the link given below. So our first question is, a specimen or any other element selected from the original material sites by the author when no holotype was designated at the time of publication is called. Options were holotype, isotype, lectotype and topotype. Well, as we have already discussed in the previous video that holotype will not be the answer. Isotype means isotypes are collected from the plant of the same material of holotype, so even isotype won't be the answer. Lectotype will be the answer. Lectotype is the specimen which is selected and is replaced when holotype is not found or missing. And topotype is when a material is collected from the same geographical location as that of the holotype, then it is a topotype. So therefore our answer is lectotype. Next question. A group that includes a common ancestor and some but not all of its descendants is called. Well, again here the answer will be paraphyletic. It is the group of taxon that includes only some of its descendants, whereas monophyletic includes all of its descendants and all the common ancestors. Here the term plesiomorphic means if there is any change in the course of evolution, the original characters of that particular organism are the plesiomorphic characters. Next, which statement is not true about taxonomic keys? Option A key consists of a number of couplets. Option B, each couplet has a pair of leads. C, the two leads of a couplet are arranged in yokes. And D, polyclave keys are single axis keys. Well, the option is clearly D, and you can easily logically guess it because the word poly here means many, and many cannot be single. Therefore, the not true answer is D. So, okay, next question. Lloyd Botanical Garden is located at. So, it's a fact that Lloyd Botanical Garden is located at Darjeeling. Next question. A classification based on overall similarities is called. Well, its classification is characterizing the group of organisms on the basis of a certain category. So here artificial classification will be based on different characters of both artificial means different characters which will include morphological, anatomical, genetical, many things. Phylogenetic classification is based on evolutionary basis. And phonetic classification is the answer because it includes classification based on overall similarities, and phyletic classification is more or less same as that of phylogenetic classification. So our answer is phonetic classification. Next question. Which statement is not correct? Option A, primitive or ancestral condition is called plesiomorphy. Option B, similarity due to common ancestry is called homology. C, the evolutionary history or pattern of descent of a group of organisms is called phylogeny. D, phylograms do not show evolutionary relationships and phylogenetic distances. Mark the one which is not correct. Well, clearly option A and B are true facts. Also, number C is true. So, phylograms, if we know what is phylogeny, then phylograms obviously will be the one which actually shows evolutionary relationships. So, the option D is not true, which will be our answer. ICN stands for. Option A, International Code of Nomenclature of Algae, Fungi and Plants. Option B, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Option C, International Code of Nomenclature of Cultivated Plants. And D, International Code of Nomenclature. Well, the ICN standard for International Code of Nomenclature of Algae, Fungi and Plants. Most of the times we tend to confuse it with International Code of Nomenclature as its very abbreviation does match, but the fact is the answer will be A. So our next question is, most primitive angiosperm is A. Magnolia, B. Nymphaea, C. Amborella, D. Ranunculus. So according to a particular classification, our answer will be A. Magnolia is the most primitive angiosperm. Next question. Select the correct botanical name of popcorn from among the following. A. Ziamase variety indentata. B. Ziamase variety securata. C. Ziamase variety everta. D. Ziamase variety indurata. Well, popcorn is a particular Ziamase variety everta. Our answer is C. Next question. Which of the following statements about dendrograms, that is tree diagrams, is correct? 1. Cladograms represent relationships among OTUs based on retained ancestral similarity, plesiomorphies. B. Cladograms can be constructed using pairwise distances among OTUs. C. Phenograms represent relationship among OTUs based on overall similarities. And D. Phenograms represent relationship among OTUs based on shared derived similarities, that is synapomorphies. Phenograms represent relationships among OTUs based on overall similarities is correct because phenogram based on phonetic classification is dependent on the overall similarities, including their morphological characters, their genetical characters, their evolutionary characters is all considered. Our next question is, seeds are present in Pinus and Mangifera. Which of the following statement is correct? Seeds in Pinus and Mangifera look different and therefore are evolutionary convergent. Seeds in Pinus and Mangifera are similar and therefore are not homologous. Seeds in Pinus and Mangifera descendant from a common ancestor and therefore are homologous. D. Seeds in Pinus and Mangifera are not descendant from a common ancestor and therefore are not homologous. Well, obviously from the options we need to know the meaning of convergent and homology. Convergent is when different species of different class or any particular, so they do not have a same common ancestor. So they are different species which when are settled in a particular geographical location, they evolutionarily have developed similar features and therefore they are convergent species. But homology is when same two species of the same particular category of position, then but they are divergent, like they have diverted into different geographical locations and thus they have developed different properties and features adapted to their location and have started to be different from each other and therefore they are homologous. So the answer, seeds in Pinus and Mangifera are similar and therefore they are not homologous, is true. That's because Pinus and Mangifera are different organisms and they are similar but they do not have a same evolutionary ancestry, so therefore they are not homologous. Which statement is not true about taxonomic keys? Option A. A taxonomic key may be indented or bracketed. Option B. Each couplet has a pair of leaves. Option C. The two leads of a couplet are arranged in yokes. Option D. A key always consists of a single couplet. Well, among all these options, option D will not be correct, since a key can have series of couplets, so it cannot be single. So this answer is not correct. Our next question. A specimen or other element is selected to serve as nomenclatural type when all the material on which the name of the taxon was based is missing. So the specimen is called option A holotype, option B topotype, option C neotype, option D syntype. Well, the option will be neotype. When an entirely new type has to be published or used, when neither the holotype nor its isotype or topotype, lectotype, nothing is available, then neotype is used. Next question. Which one of the following statements is not correct? A. All taxonomic keys are dichotomous. B. In a taxonomic key, the two leads together form a couplet. C. All keys comprises sequences of two contrasting statements. Each statement is known as a lead. And D. Polyclave keys are not based on morphological characters. Well, among the options, polyclave keys do include different characters, which also includes morphological characters. And here, so therefore this answer is not correct. The fact that they are not based on morphological characters is incorrect. Next question. Acronym of Botanical Survey of India, Dehradun Herbarium is, well, Dehradun. Our acronym will be DT. Next question. Nicotiana typicum is a natural hybrid of, well, it's a fact, best question. From the options, A. Nicotiana rustica and Nicotiana sylvestris. B. Nicotiana sylvestris and Nicotiana autophora. C. Nicotiana autophora and Nicotiana undulate. D. Nicotiana undulate and Nicotiana paniculata. D. Nicotiana sylvestris and Nicotiana autophora. Next question. A specimen of a named taxon collected usually later from the original type locality is called. Well, from the question itself, it is collected from the original type locality is the hint. So from the options isotype, syntype, neotype and topotype, our answer will be topotype. Next question. Which one of the following statements about dendrograms is correct? A. A cladogram reflects overall similarities among OTUs. B. A cladogram represents evolutionary relationships among OTUs. 3. A phylogram is the same as a phenogram. 4. A phenogram represents evolutionary relationships among OTUs. Well, this fact is incorrect. Therefore, our answer is a cladogram represents evolutionary relationships among OTUs. So this was the end. Hope you guys liked the video, and do like, comment and subscribe for more such videos and give your suggestions.